In this video, I want to show you how to see your Google password or your Gmail password on iPhone. To check your Gmail or your Google password on iPhone, it's very simple and easy to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to settings on your iPhone. So tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, it will take you to this page. On this page, what I want you to do from here, I want you to scroll down. I want you to scroll down. Once you scroll down to the extreme bottom, you are going to see apps over there. So I want you to tap on that apps. So once you tap on the apps, it's going to take you to another page. On this page, what you want to do from here, you want to scroll down and look for where we have password. Just scroll down. You can see this is it. We have password here. So let's click on that password. So once you click on passwords, it will bring you to another page. On this page, I want you to scroll down to the extreme bottom. So once you scroll to the extreme bottom, you are going to see open passwords. So I want you to tap on that open password. So once you tap on the open passwords, it's going to load up your passwords for you. As you can see, we are inside of my password manager on my iPhone. So what do we do here to actually see our Google password? You want to go to where we have passkey, tap on passkeys. Once you tap on passkeys, it will bring out this page for you. On this page, you want to tap on the Gmail you want to check password for. For this tutorial, let me check the password for this one of my Gmail. Just tap on the Gmail you want to check password for. Once you tap on it, it will bring you to the final page. On this page, what you just want to do, you want to check where we have password, and you have to tap on that password. Once you tap on the password, it will reveal your password for you. So guys, this is how you can actually check or see your Google password on iPhone. Thanks for watching.